Welcome to North Point Residential School, Siliguri, and greetings of Ram Navami to each and every one of you watching over there. And today it's a very special day. We can say we have got a day off for boarding, and you can see the students are doing some activities and they are enjoying basically. So to know more about it, we have got a senior student from class 12, Anushka, who is helping a child and will let us know what is happening over here. So Anushka, first of all, good morning, happy Ram Navami, blessing to you all. And then could you just walk me through what is happening here? The kids are talking, some seniors are helping them. What we are doing actually over here?
Today is a holiday, so in the hostel on every holidays we plan out something or the other for the students. Something or the other is planned for us. So today we are doing an art competition for the juniors, and they are free to draw whatever they like. So the basic purpose of this is to enhance their drawing skills.
Right. So you see, like Anushka said, during a day off, it really becomes boring for students, and especially in a boarding school, you have to take care of students and to engage them in activities is something very important. And like Anushka said, this activity is done with the purpose, and like she wonderfully said, is to stir the imagination within the child. And as I was walking around before we thought of doing this video, I saw you helping the kids. So how excited are they?
So they are very excited because some of them are new year, so it is going to be their first activity of the session, so they are very excited for it.
Right. So thank you, Anushka. Thank you for speaking with us. We'll let you help them, and we'll show you more about how these kids are enjoying. They are playing with colors. And before I let you go, do they love colors? Because I could see some are absolutely playing with wonderful colors.
Yes, sir.
This brings you back to your old memory days when you were a kid as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Were you good at drawing?
Somewhat.
Are you good at drawing now?
Yes, sir.
Because you're a science student, you have to be. Thank you so much, Anushka, for speaking with us. And as you can see, the kids are wonderfully doing their artwork, putting their imagination on a piece of paper, and this we're bringing it to you from North Point Residential School. It's a Ram Navami holiday, and kids are engaged in some activity or the other. For now, they are painting their imagination. They are free to draw anything they want, and like you see, Mete from class 12, Ankita, Anupam, these all senior students are helping them, and it is so good to see they are making this young kids feel comfortable, helping them to understand and doing what they can do as a senior. And yes, this is it. This is what we have. And right soon after this, I think we have a speech or debate competition among senior students, and that also will bring it live to you. And for more, please stay with us. Thank you. So for now, let us go and speak with few of the students who is quite engrossed in painting his imagination, and a wonderful sweet toddler over here who is making a basic picture of mountain, rainbow. So to know more about, let's go and speak with him. Hello Veta, what are you doing?
I'm fine.
What are you doing?
I am making rainbow, I am making sun and mountain.
Okay. And what is your name, beta?
I am Tejas Prasad
Okay.
from class 4.
Okay, class 4. And are you enjoying this?
Yes, yes sir.
Do you like drawing?
Yes sir.
All right. So when you will complete this drawing? When will you complete? Within what time?
10 minutes.
10 minutes you'll complete everything. What else is there to make? You have made mountain, you have made rainbow and cloud. What is there to make now?
I have to fill the colors
Okay.
and make house.
Okay. So I think you have done it wonderfully. Is the sister helping you? Mete Didi is helping you? No. Mete, why are you not helping him? Okay, beta, I will let you do the work. Thank you so much for speaking, and we'll see after once you're done. Thank you. Keep on drawing. So after speaking with the little one, we have got a hold of another wonderful, sweet, beautiful bacha.
Adrija Mandal.
Adrija, what are you doing? I saw you, painting your drawing with colors. Can you tell me what are you making?
Flag.
Okay, which flag is this?
Indian flag.
All right. Can you tell me colors? Which color is this?
Green.
Acha, green. And which is your favorite color?
Black.
You like black? That's why your bird is black, I see. Do you like mountains?
Yes.
Do you like to go in mountains?
Yes.
All right. Do you like cartoons?
Yes.
Do you love watching cartoons? Which cartoon is your favorite?
Chota Bheem.
Acha. So why didn't you make Chota Bheem? You should have made Chota Bheem, no? Would you love to try making Chota Bheem?
No.
No, why?
Because
It's little hard. Okay, keep on trying. Acha Adrija, you have done wonderful. Okay, you have painted wonderful colors, and national flag is there, the mountain is there, the sunrise is there, and everything is there. We'll let you do your work. Thank you for speaking with us, and all the best. So I've got hold of this little lad who is in class 1. His name is Ronak Kumar. He's little naughty, but when it comes to painting, it's wonderful. Okay, so as we can see, this guy is painting his home. So let us go and speak with him, whose home he is making and what colors is he using. Ronak, come better, come here. Can you speak with us? Can you spare a time with me for a while? Ronak, what are you making? First thing first.
House and tree.
Acha, whose house is this?
My
Your house is this, okay. Your house is in which color? The roof of your house is orange color, is it?
yes.
Alright, and which color is this, beta?
The light yellow.
Alright, so you know every color, right? And do you like painting?
Yes.
And what else do you love making apart from this, apart from house? What do you like making? Sketching or drawing?
Sketching, drawing, dancing,
Alright.
singing,
You do singing as well?
reading,
Reading.
and studying.
Alright, so are you done with your painting, or are you still left with something to do?
Done.
Done?
Yes.
Would you add something here, like some more trees? Nothing? This is it?
Yes.
Can you tell me what is this? What is this? This one?
Tree.
Tree. And what color is this?
Brown.
Brown. Okay, so see, the kid is very active. He has the knowledge of what he is doing. Apart from making painting, he also understands what colors to use, which colors to use. As you can see, in a tree, he has done wonderful green color. The bark of the tree is, the trunk of the tree is in brown color. So he has a knowledge, and he's a very wonderful guy. So last thing before I let you go, are you enjoying?
Yes.
Are you enjoying doing this?
Yes.
Right? So Ronak, thank you so much for speaking with us. We'll let you do your painting work, right? And that's it. Thank you.